still forcing your visitors to fill out forms or talk to a salesperson just to see your product, let me tell you something. Your buyers don't want to talk to sales. They don't want to wait 3 days to schedule a call, and they don't want another calendar invite. What they want is instant success, a chance to see the product, try it, play with it, and decide if it's worth their time. And if your demo doesn't give them that, they're gone. Just like you want to try on a pair of sneakers before purchasing, users want to try your software before they buy. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to flip the script. I'll walk you through the exact tactics modern SaaS companies are using to create self-serve interactive demos that convert way better than passive video monologues no one wants to watch. And if you stay till the end, I'll even show you how to build one yourself using Supademo. Let's dive in. Here's the truth no one wants to admit. Most SaaS demos suck. They're locked behind a form, or they're a 5-minute video nobody watches. Or worse, they require a live call just to see how the thing works. Buyers today are not entertaining this anymore. If they see you do it, they're gone. In 2025, buyers want to self-educate. They want the same instant gratification they get from consumer apps. And if you're still making them wait days for a sales rep, you'll lose them. The playbook has changed. Instead of hiding your 10-minute demo video behind a gate or forcing people to book a call, you let them try it right away. Let them click around. Let them experience your product on their time. This is what interactive demos do. They live on your site, on your blog, and on your landing pages. They're self-guided, clickable walkthroughs that replicate the experience of using your product. And because they're interactive, they're not just watched, they're experienced, which means higher engagement, higher trust, and way more conversions. Once you've created your interactive demo, you want to make sure it's not just informative. It also needs to drive conversions. One of the most effective ways to do this is by showing a teaser of how the product works in 5 to 6 clicks. Then add a form to convert this interest into a verified lead or demo booking with a form. This way, you let people experience parts of the demo, qualify them, and convert them after interest is confirmed. So before someone even sees your product, they're prompted to enter their name, email, company, whatever info you need. And as soon as they hit submit, boom, they're instantly inside the demo experience. It's low friction, and it weeds out tire kickers while giving you qualified leads who've shown real intent. From there, you can layer in CTAs based on the flow of the demo. Let's say they just explored your analytics feature. That's a perfect time to say, want to see insights like this with your own data? Start a free trial. And if they're clicking through your onboarding steps, that's a great place to drop a CTA like book a personalized walkthrough. The last piece is narration. If you're like me and hate memorizing scripts or the sound of your own voice, modern tools have realistic AI voiceovers to make this easy. You can explain what they're seeing, highlight important features, and inject a little storytelling to make it stick. It's like having a sales rep inside every demo without needing to show up. So now you're probably thinking, okay, that sounds great, but how do I actually make one of these? Let me break it down for you step by step. You don't need a design team. You don't need to write code. You definitely don't need to open Final Cut Pro. All you need is to launch the Supademo Chrome extension. Go into your product and click through the workflow you want to showcase. Literally, just use your app like you normally would. As you do that, Supademo is recording every click, every screen, and it's turning it into a smooth, guided walkthrough. Then you jump into the editor, and here's where the magic happens. You can rearrange steps, delete anything you don't want, blur out sensitive data, and even insert extra slides if you want to explain something in more detail. Want to add narration? You can either record your own voice right there or use a built-in AI voiceover to make it sound polished and professional, even if you hate hearing your own voice. Before the demo even plays, you can add a lead capture gate, such as their name, email, company, or whatever you want. As soon as they fill that out, the demo starts instantly. No redirect, no delays. Just smooth access and qualified leads for you. Next, drop in your CTAs. Things like get started, view pricing, book a call, whatever fits your funnel. And once you're happy with it, you hit publish. Now you've got an interactive demo that's hosted and ready to go. You can embed it on your website, share it on emails, or drop it into a LinkedIn message. Wherever your audience is, your product demo can go too. And the best part, you can update your demo anytime and the changes go live instantly everywhere it's shared. No re-recording, no hunting down broken links, and no dealing with version control nightmares. On top of that, Supademo Supademo gives you built-in analytics so you can track performance in real time. See how many people viewed your demo, where they dropped off, and who actually converted. This means you're not just creating a better experience, you're getting smarter with every click. Just fast, scalable, and interactive demos that work while you sleep. Look, you don't need to keep doing sales the hard way. You just need a demo that actually sells for you without requiring any more of your time. And if you want to go even deeper into product-led sales and scaling demos, check out the next video on the screen. I'll see you there.